So I've got to try to make some sort of video of this, but between the cuts, okay, because it's ACDC. It's my birthday, lucky birthday, boom birthday. And Chanya, she come down to Soy 7. She come to Soy 7 to party with us. Yes, you and you.
Yeah.
And like, look at this. Look
Happy
at
birthday!
Look at Blondie. Blondie. Oh my God, seriously.
Blondie.
And yes, we're down on the Down Under bar. Oh, look, Young's here too. Oh my God. Darling.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Model ma.
Oh,
You look
oh,
model.
so sexy.
Maybe.
Your other girlfriend.
My other girlfriend, yes.
Me annoy.
My me annoy. My me annoy. Stop this. No. You're. Long time no see. I see you in the Facebook. You go all around the world.
Yeah.
Yes.
Happy Thailand myself.
One day I have to do an interview with you, talk your story. Okay, yeah. We have been doing these meetups here at 7-Eleven. Oh my God. Down under 7-Eleven for the last 7 years now. Say it again.
Down under bar 7-Eleven, but soy was 7-1.
It's not 7-Eleven, it's 7-1. 7-Eleven, 7-1. Same.
It hasn't been 30 years either. It's been about 5 years, not 30 years.
I tend to exaggerate a bit, okay? I am trying to cut this video up in between ACDC.
I turned it off for you a while ago.
It's still going. She's looking very sexy. Very sexy. Oh my God. And she's single. She's single, but she doesn't want boyfriend.
Thank you, baby.
You don't want boyfriend. No boyfriend. No. Okay, Miss Fern, come here. Vivian, I found your name out finally.
Yes.
Yes.
Name.
Yeah, your real name.
Yeah.
Now I can cast a spell on you. Okay, now this is a competition. Who have the #1 plastic surgery? This one here or this one here? What do you think? What? She wants bigger.
My mother says to pick this one and out goes Y-O-U. It's her!
It's her! She wins. Now this is something I never expected to see coming from Paul. What was 6, what 4, 8 B-52s?
What sort of stuff, you know, you're buying drinks.
The question is, can the lady boys outshine the guys? Come on, boys and girls, let's do this.
Chanya. Happy birthday! Thank you, Paul! Happy birthday! Thank you, Paul!
Thank you, Paul.
Happy birthday, Wazza!
There's the girls. Go for it. One for me as well.
Happy birthday! So that's it for me. I'm gonna go fucking slow on the way home. That was strong.
Good. I'm going to do a quick shout out here, right? If you want to see more of this on-the-spot stuff that has music in the background, I need more Patreons on the channel to offset the fact that YouTube pays the people who play the music rather than me who actually makes the video. That's the way YouTube works. Get a clue, guys. Hit that Patreon button. I should also add the fact this is not my birthday here at the Down Under Bar. That's my name up there. It's also Lucky's birthday. It's Boom's birthday as well. We've got 3 people who celebrate
2 months.
I think 2 months is his birthday, but like today I found out like there's like 7 people that had a birthday this week. Like there's Todd, not my Todd, but Todd Daniels, he had his birthday.
Todd Daniels, Nick. All this both this week.
I was wondering why I like these people so much, because they're all Aquarians. Makes sense now.
And I'm an Aquarian.
This is the age of Aquarius. This is the age of Aquarius. If you don't know Sonia's been here for the 7 years I've been coming here. Sonia's always been. She's part of the woodwork, honestly. She's done a very good job of beating cancer.
Yes, I do. I have great cancer.
left side cancer, but she's a cancer survivor. Cancer survivor.
right now.
Yes, cancer survivor. Yes. And no, she don't have cancer. Happy birthday, Happy birthday. Where's the other girls? Right. Where's Lucky? Where's Paul? Where's Lucky? Where's Paul? He's over here. Paul? This girl. 7 years we've been coming here. We haven't missed a single meet-up, but we're here. 7 years later. Wow!
What?
You have to finish tonight. You have to.
Well, maybe half.
I don't think so.
I have to finish tonight. No way!
Half.
One shot, please. Honey, you want to go see ping pong show? No, not now. Sure. Yeah. You sure? What about Nook Young? You want to go? Next week, Valentine's Day. You want to go ping pong show? Next week.
Next week is okay and not today.
So Wazza's 64. He doesn't act a day over 66, no matter what he tells you.
I'm 64.
No, you don't act a day over 66. If you have not subscribed to his channel, don't. It's not worth it. Do. Wazza's our buddy. Please subscribe. He brings you a lot of good stuff. I just can't read it. And we're having a lot of fun for his 64th.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
No. Stop it. No.
So, like, seriously, guys, there's all this commercial music in the background, so YouTube just completely said, fuck you. Bleep you.
No, he meant that other word. Don't let him kid you.
But seriously, hit that button. Buy me a coffee.
Yeah, please do. He deserves it. He does good stuff. And then there's Wayne. Oh boy.
By the way, I don't want my face on YouTube.
We can tell you stories about Wayne.
We'll just pixelate it. Can we pixelate this?
Wayne has a face only mothers and Wayne can love. Oh no. Wayne's another great guy.
My mother's dead.
I'm sorry. My mother is too, so what? Okay, enough.
This is my mate Alan. He's been a Patreon member for like 7 years. He's the longest standing Patreon in my crew. like and subscribe, man.
I'm with you all the way.
And subscribe to his channel too.
Thank you.
Yes. I'm talking to my friends over here.
Yeah, pay attention to her.
I pay attention to her every day. I rather talk to my friends once a week. This place is getting kind of scary with the B-52s. Oh, such precision. Oh,
So good, well done.
good. You are number one. It's her. Alan is one of our long-standing Patreons. He's been a Patreon for, I think, over 7 years. We've always taken care of him. He's a heart attack victim. He's one of our best mates, and we take care of him wherever we can.
มาเลยเหรอ
Oh, from Alan. Oh, there we go. He's going to get in the way.
I know.
Jack's become a YouTuber. Where's Lucky?
Battery's fine.
Look at all these aquariums here. Oh my God. So many aquariums. Cake. Cake too. Oh my God. Cake.
From Alan.
I have been told that Alan bought the cake. Cover my card. I was telling everybody there will be cake. And we have cake. Chocolate cake now. The world needs more cake. The world needs more cake. More cake. Solve the world's problems. Cake. Cake, the answer. The answer is cake. And I can truly call myself a Thai person with 100 baht hanging around my it's only Thailand. It's always a challenge trying to get them to do. One drink keep on coming. This is lucky. It's her birthday. It's her birthday too. She's so lucky because she's an aquarium.
I lucky because you have good customers.
No, you're aquarium. Number one. Aquarium number one.
Thank you.
This is the age of Aquarius. And for those who have never been to the Down Under Bar, this is Richie. Hey darling, he's a good girl. He's a good girl. She's been here for as long as I know. I'm starting to show my age here, like there's my next bit, and I haven't finished this one. It's a dilemma. It is a dilemma. I should add the fact that, like, if you don't know Milk Illness, she's one of our best friends. Yes, she's South Soul as well. Currently, she's single. Hit me up. There's no more. But yeah, I'm not trying to be a matchmaker here. This is just our life, okay? So here we are, getting close to dinner time. I'm still having trouble eating all my cake.
Wazza said he wasn't going to drink tonight. He doesn't drink anymore. That was BS. That was BS. He's drinking a whole lot tonight.
Orange juice. It's orange juice.
Yeah, and what?
ISIS.
Fight with what?
ISIS.
Anybody out there believe that? Write in the comments below.
This YouTube, they can believe anything. It's almost like a never-ending supply of B-52 for that. I will have that one. Thank you. That's my one. It's got my name on it. Ah. What?
I can't drink anymore.
You can't drink anymore? Okay, first time in the world. First time in the world.
This is like number 10.
There was a spare one. There's a spare one. Come on. Well, I think a few people look like it was starry-eyed at this time of night. Okay. I will wrap it up now. This is the end of it, honestly. This is the end of it. We're out of here. We're out of here. Check out this. Look, I haven't forgotten the close out now. A special thank you to Patreons.
This will be the greatest random video that he's ever done.
Random.
And
totally random.
I hope you guys appreciate how much fun we have, but how much fun you guys can have in Bangkok and in Thailand. It's a great, oh no. Oh no.
We can't win. We can't win, you know. There's no point in fighting. It's the end of it. We're out of here. We're gone. We're done. Check out this video.
I'm sorry. Tiki, I'm sorry, honey. I'm not going to get home early.